Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to resolve this type of errors in Elementor WordPress website. This came from Elementor. To solve this type of problem, first you need to open the admin and you need to update your WordPress, and after that you need to update the Elementor plugin. So this is the Elementor plugin. It's already updated. Just now I updated. Sorry, I can't record this. So you need to update these two things. First WordPress, then Elementor. And then you need to refresh. In my case, it's not solved. In your case, it's maybe solved. If not solved, then go to the your hosting account where I hosted the website. I hosted the website in Hostgator. In your hosting account, you need to go to the PHP configuration and you need to change the PHP version. Here my PHP version is 8.2. It's required minimum 8.3 in latest Elementor update and WordPress. So you need to change this PHP configuration in hosting. If you can't do that, you directly contact your hosting provider. They can do. After changing the version, I need to update, confirm. It will take few seconds to update. We need to wait for that. Okay, the PHP version updated successfully. Now I am going to refresh my website and see the error is gone. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.